And the winner is, guys, stay tuned for that. I'm going to get that going at the end of the video. I do want to stay on script with my Monday releases. I do want to do a quick color build today. Nothing fancy. We're going to be doing a color today that I'm calling Walleye Magic. Anyway, a customer of mine, he's on the bardownbaits pro staff, Hanzo. We're letting the cat out of the bag here. Sorry, buddy. Anyway, he came to me last fall, and I wasn't filming yet. He said, Mike, there's this color out there. I fished with it in the past. I can't get my hands on it anywhere. It's called Blue Shimmer or Blue Glimmer from Z-Man. Anyway, he sent me a picture of it, and I got a pretty good idea. It's almost identical. And we're going to be making that today, and it is a walleye killer. That's why we're calling it Walleye Magic. So stay tuned for that, guys. It's going to be a quick video because I know most of you people are interested in the giveaway. And I would be too. Selfishly, if I'm in your shoes, I want that tackle box. I want the $50 gift card to 8-Bit Baits that Michael sponsored for this thing. We'll get to it. Be patient. Let's do a quick color build. And then let's get the computer out and get that random comment generator going, and we'll get our winners. Stay tuned for that, guys. Before we get to the color build, I just wanted to thank everybody that did comment on this and entered yourself into this giveaway. So excited about this, guys. Really a great deal. I appreciate the support. I appreciate all the new subscribers. If you're new, I'm Mike Muller. I'm bardownbaits, and welcome aboard. We have a lot of fun on this show. Try to keep it very transparent and somewhat informative. So I appreciate all your support in this, guys. I know I said, let's get 100, let's get 200, let's go for 500. Guys, we got 200 comments. That shows a lot of interest, and you guys, I'm going to go out on a limb and say that everybody's kind of screaming for that $50 gift card to 8-Bit Baits. And that tackle box. That tackle box is pretty cool. Okay, enough with the jibber jabber. Let's get the color build going, guys. Walleye Magic coming at you here. Okay, gang, we're live. Let's go Walleye Magic here. Basically what it is, guys, it's my version of monkey milk on the top. So let's get started with that. We're going to be going 2 different sizes of black flake. We are going to do a smidgen of that one. Let's get this in here real quick. A heaping smidgen. And then we're going to get another size of black flake in there just to give it a little bit extra. We're going to do that 0.015 hex. That first one was square cut, so I like the different combination here. Another heavy smidgen there. And then we've got, sorry, right there, 0.025 silver. We're going to do a pinch of that. Going to do a pinch of that. And then what I think really sets my little version of the monkey milk is putting in this silver holographic. Sorry, I keep forgetting to put this into the camera frame. That's 0.015 silver holographic, and we are doing a pinch of that as well. A hefty one. Yeah, hefty. Okay, let's get that stirred in, and then we will add the magic maker to that one right there, that HI-Lite blue. Let's get that stirred in. I wonder how this color would look just all by itself. It's a cool color. Guys, getting that glimmer off or the shimmer we should call it. That's Walleye Magic right there. It's good looking. Okay, let's get the HI-Lite blue in there. Again, sorry guys, HI-Lite blue. We're doing a dash of that. We're not going to be shy. Now, that's basically my version of monkey milk. This right here in crappie baits is killer. In that 2-inch slayer, 3-inch slayer, unbelievable color. Now this one, the Walleye Magic that we're making today, or the Blue Shimmer, or whatever you want to call it from Z-Man, this is a walleye killer on Clearwater lakes. Look at that. That I love this color. I love it. Remember those videos I did where I asked if you could laminate monkey milk with anything? Yeah, you can. It does not look bad. This monkey milk, using this as the bottom, on this color, on this bait build, on Walleye Magic, this is going to be the top. Okay, that's it for the top. Let's get over to the bottom. Okay, guys, like I said, that monkey milk, my version of monkey milk, that's going to be the top. And what we're doing, you guys know I'm a sucker for the Snowshine on the bottom. We're going to do, now this is, just watch what I'm doing here. I'm calling these swirls. These are not drop counts. 1, 2, 3. 3 swirls of the Snowshine. And then we're going to add to that just your white. We're going, I think 3 is the number. I think 3 is the magic number. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was like 4 or 5. Geez, that came out fast. Oh, well, we'll deal with it. Let's stir that in. We should have some good shine with that dead-on plastic Snowshine. Oh, I love it. I love it. Simple color build. And this thing, I'm telling you guys, Walleye Magic catches walleyes in these Clearwater lakes. Sorry, Hanzo, for letting the cat out of the bag here. I think I was using this bait when I was up fishing leech with Tyler. And yes, it was working. Okay, that's the color build, guys. Let's get to shooting these baits. And then we'll get you guys to the outro for the winner of the contest. Stay tuned. Okay, gang, temperature-wise, we're good. We're around 325. Let's shoot this first round. I'm going to shoot real quick. I've got 4 molds that I'm going to show off here in this Walleye Magic color here. And then we'll get you guys to the outro. Oh, this color is sweet. Hanzo, you got to get a hold of me, brother. I got you. You know I do. Okay, we're good there. That felt nice. Oh, that's my favorite part, just taking a look at that sprue or that hot plastic that comes out after you hold pressure, and you get kind of a glimpse of what's going on in there. Top those off, then we'll set these to the side. Get the injectors cleaned out. We'll get the plastic back up to temperature. And we got 2 more molds to shoot, guys. And this episode's going to be a wrap. I can't wait to show you guys this color. Stay tuned for that, those next 2 ones. We'll be back here shortly. Well, gang, I forgot to press record on those last 2 rounds right here. But anyway, let's get to the demolding. I am so excited to show you guys Walleye Magic. These have been cool for a while. These are the Angling AI Tracer Shad or the Pinpoint. I can't remember which one I have here. Yeah, this one's the Tracer. I don't need my gloves on for that. There's that top. That's kind of your standard color. I think a lot of you guys know about that one. That is your monkey milk in my version with silver holographic. And then you got that pearlish Snowshine bottom. You guys, this is a secret weapon out on leech, out on Mille Lacs, out on woman, out on, hopefully on Pokegama. Look at that. Boy, that's nice. Okay, that was the Tracer. Nothing wrong with that. Let's get the Pinpoint out. We got 2 sizes of the Pinpoint. I am excited to tell you guys that I have ordered some new molds. We will be getting some new molds on the show. There we go. That's the 4-inch Pinpoint. Oh, this color. It's guys, highly recommend this color for clear water. And it is an extremely easy color to make. Extremely. Need 2 different sizes of black glitter. 2 different sizes of, 1 size of silver, 0.025, and then that silver holographic, which I think makes the monkey milk top. Basically, it's a monkey milk recipe. I think it makes it pop. All right, here we got that Kitech style bait. Ooh, that is a little spicy yet. This is that 3.8 inch from BTS Molds. This one is a great mold. I haven't fished this in a while, but I'm gonna start, because fishing is tough right now in Minnesota. I am gonna start rigging this weedless. Fish it like a worm. Throw this right up into the weeds and let that swim bait and that dangly tail do its magic. Oh, that is nice. Oh my gosh, that's solid. Guys, I'm not tooting my own horn. I'm just, that is a nice looking bait. It's nice, and it catches fish. Guys, you're gonna have to trust me on that one. This bait color catches, and catches frequently. Hanzo, give me a shout, man. These are all gonna get bagged up for you, I'm assuming. There is that 5-inch Pinpoint. Love that bait too. Dangle these in front of you guys real quick, and we'll get you guys to the outro. That 5-inch Pinpoint is a deadly bait too. Oh, I love it. Okay, guys. Well, hope you guys like that extremely simple but effective Walleye Magic color build. Catches walleyes, gang. Probably gonna catch bass too. Let's get you guys to the outro where we are gonna announce the winners. Thank you to everybody that commented and entered in this contest. I cannot wait, and I'm excited to announce our 2 lucky winners. Stay tuned. Okay, gang, let's try this. So I'm on that latest video. I am just going to, you're gonna see what a spaz I am on the computer. I'm copying the link of that, and then I am gonna go over to, yeah, you see all the tabs I had open? We are at pickawinner.co. Paste your YouTube link in there. Do I have the cursor? Okay, let's try this. Paste. There it is right there. Fetch, I hope you guys can see this. Select a filter what you would like to use. Anything goes, include reply. No, we're not gonna allow duplicates. Keyword filter, that's what we're doing. Please specify your keyword. Okay, what did we say? Caps lock, bar down, 500. Continue. Please wait while we load the comments. Loaded 77 comments. Well, those probably the 77 that had the bar down, 500 in it. Pick a winner. Tim Bohannon. I'm gonna get you guys in there. I'm gonna see if I can do this. Tim, so what did Tim win? Tim got himself that, get in center here. Tim got himself that tackle box full of bar down baits and $50 gift card. Okay, Tim, I'm gonna write this down. He wrote bar down 500, 8-bit outstanding. You'll be at 1,000 in no time. Congratulations, great videos. That was awesome. Okay, so that is the grand prize winner. Tim, congratulations. Thanks for supporting the channel. You need to, and I'll leave my email in the comment section down below. All I need from you is your address. I'll get these baits out to you tomorrow. And that 8-bit bait gift card, I'll send you the code so you can start shopping. Okay, let's try. Can we do multiple winners? Okay, how are we gonna do this now? Can I just click that and pick another winner? Let's try it. There we go. Okay, this is our second winner for the $50 gift card. Larry Dean 903. Hey, he was right to the point. Bar down 500. That guy didn't mess around. Let's get you in on that real quick. I'll see if I can center that a little bit quicker. You guys see it? There are 2 winners right there, you guys. Okay, let's get to the outro and get you guys out of here. Okay, guys, that concludes this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little color build, making Walleye Magic. Basically, like I said, you got my version of blue shimmer on top with a Snowshine bottom, 3 to 4 swirls, 3 or 4 or 5 drops of white, and you got yourself a walleye killer, hence the name Walleye Magic. Okay, guys, and again, hey, congratulations to Tim Bohannon. What was it, 794? Congratulations. You got that Plano 3700 waterproof series tackle box full of bar down baits and $50 worth of money to spend over at 8-Bit Baits. And then we got Larry Dean, 903. You are the second prize winner with $50 to spend over at 8-Bit Baits. Now, that brings me to this. Michael, thank you a million for supporting this giveaway. Awesome. I know people were selfishly looking for that, probably the tackle box. I'd like to say they were here for the bar down baits, but I know a lot of you guys make your own stuff, so you're looking for probably the products to put inside of it. Awesome, awesome, Michael. Thanks so much again. I appreciate it. And thanks everybody that entered and commented. It was really great going through those comments. I took my time and I responded to every single one. So if you happen to be a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. Again, like I said, I'm Mike Muller. I'm Bar Down Baits. This is kind of how we roll. We don't do a giveaway every show. I wish I could, but we don't. On to next couple of episodes, I do want to say I've got some new products that I'm bringing to the table. I've got some new molds that I'm bringing to the table, and I can't wait to share those with you guys. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all of you. Hope you have a great rest of your day. This is Mike Muller from Bar Down Baits signing off.